Hello and welcome to this A2 Elementary Lesson 26 with me, Kate. Today we will be looking at the past simple was and were. Let's look first at some new vocabulary. I want you to listen and repeat. Comedian, comedian. Artist, artist. Political leader, political leader. Writer, writer. Composer, composer. Scientist, scientist. Okay, well done. Here I have 4 incomplete phrases. I want you to read the phrases and see if you can complete them. If you need to pause the video to give you some thinking time, do that now. Okay, now I want you to listen to the information to help you. Number 1. John F. Kennedy was President of the United States in the 1960s, from 1960 until his death in 1963. John F. Kennedy was President of the United States in the 1960s. Okay, number 2. Marie Curie was Polish. She was born in Warsaw, the capital of Poland, but she lived a lot of her life in Paris. The scientist Marie Curie was born in Warsaw. Number 3. Laurel and Hardy were comedians and film stars. Their first film was in 1926. Laurel and Hardy were comedians. Number 4. The Beatles were all from Liverpool. They were school friends there. The Beatles were originally from Liverpool. Okay, we're going to try that again with 4 new sentences. Again, if you need time to read the sentences to see if you can complete them, please do that now and restart when you're ready. Okay, let's look at number 5. From the age of about 30, Beethoven was deaf, but he wasn't born deaf. The composer Beethoven was deaf. Number 6. Mao Zedong was born in 1893. He was leader of China from 1949 to 1976. So the Chinese Communist leader Mao Zedong was born in 1893. Okay, number 7. Tolstoy, Dostoevsky and Chekhov were all Russian writers. Tolstoy's most famous books were Anna Karenina and War and Peace. Tolstoy, Dostoevsky and Chekhov were Russian writers. Galileo Galilei was an Italian mathematician and scientist. He was born in the 16th century. Galileo was an Italian mathematician and scientist. Okay, fantastic, well done. So let's just recap the verb to be in the present form. Here I have a table which shows the verb in the positive contracted, the negative and the negative contracted. I want you to remind yourselves and see if you can complete the gaps. Let's begin. I am, I'm. I am not, I'm not. You are, you're, You are not, you aren't. We are, we're, we are not, we aren't. They are, they're, they are not, they aren't. He is, he's, he is not, he isn't. She is, she's, she is not, she isn't. It is, it's, it is not, it isn't. Fantastic. Okay, now we're going to look at to be in the past form. So to remind us, I've got here the positive. Then we're going to look at the negative and the negative contracted. So I want you to listen and repeat. I was. You were. We were. They were. He was. She was. It was. Okay, now let's look at the negative form. Again, listen and repeat. I was not. You were not. We were not. They were not. He was not. She was not. It was not. And finally, now we're going to look at the negative contracted form. Again, I want you to listen and repeat. I wasn't. You weren't. We weren't. They weren't. He wasn't. She wasn't. It wasn't. Well done. Okay, so we've got lots of information here. I would like you in the comments to write 7 sentences about the people in the photos. You need to use the verb to be in the past form. You can use it in the positive and the negative. For example, Marie Curie wasn't French. She was Polish. Can you think of some more sentences, 7 if possible, about the people in the pictures and leave them in the comments below? Of course, you're going to need to pause the video for this and I will try to read them and respond to you. Let's move on. Here I have some questions. I want you to complete the questions with was or were. Again, if you need to pause the video, please do that and restart it when you're ready. Number 1. Where were your parents born? Where were your parents born? Number 2. How old were your parents when you were born? How old were your parents when you were born? Number 3. Where were you born? At home or in hospital? Where were you born? At home or in hospital? Number 4. What time of day were you born? What time of day were you born? Number 5. What day of the week were you born on? What day of the week were you born on? Number 6. What was your favourite food when you were little? What was your favourite food when you were little? And number 7. Who was your best friend when you were young? Who was your best friend when you were young? I have a question for you. What was the name of your first teacher at school? Again, leave your comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and show your support. And coming next in lesson 27, we will be looking at years, decades and centuries. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.